Central City Mall. This mall has 140 different stores, including TNT, Best Buy. Also, SFU is attached and it's perfectly located at my newest listing, 13303 Central Avenue, only a 2-minute walk away. It's really reminiscent standing here at my old campus at SFU. Got my communications degree here, and so I know this area very well. This campus is only 5 minutes away to my newest listing. Also, Surrey Central Skytrain is right across the street. It's only 5 minutes away, perfect for an investor. Come on in and let me show you around. Welcome to The Wave, located in downtown Surrey, just 2 blocks west of Surrey Central Mall and Surrey Central Skytrain. The Wave, built by Reeves, showcases an impressive architectural statement done by IGI Group. This building is marked by the gorgeous exterior patios that are spacious and exemplified by the Wave theme. The Wave is based on the philosophy that architecture is a form of public art, and this is highlighted with the beautiful exterior wave design and is an iconic building in downtown Surrey. This 2-bedroom and 2-bath with den features 770 square feet of contemporary and exquisite interior designed by Falls Creek Design Group, featuring an open layout with sophisticated finishes including a gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and sleek stainless steel appliances. This unit has expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, bringing in lots of natural light and panoramic views from every single direction. The building has high-end amenities including a rooftop patio, fully equipped gym, media room to watch the latest movies in, even including a dog wash area and bike repair area. If you'd like more information about this property, feel free to contact me. My name is Denise Mai and I'm more than happy to help you out.